Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi magnific espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because he was having general alarm, and that was general alarm was caused because of the transmission was making the brew infuser getting stuck between the grinder and the generator, and it was making a lot of noise as he was trying to push the brew unit up, and as you can see it even broke from these pieces as well inside on the inside of the machine. So we end up replacing this big thing, including all the sensors, motor, and all these little parts that you see right here. And that's all we did to this machine. So starting one shot espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. You can hear the transmission going all the way to the grinder, getting ready to grind coffee. Once it starts to grind coffee, those coffee grounds will fall into the brew unit, which then the transmission will then move it all the way here and then push the brew unit all the way up into the generator, which is located right here. Once that happens, the water pump will start initiating the extraction process, and it will siphon water from the water tank into the generator, and as you can see, into the spouts and into your cup. 1.5 ounces, which is perfect. We're gonna do that again as well. Again, another short coffee, and it's going to do the same thing. Grind the beans, deposit them into the brew unit, the transmission will push it into the generator, and the generator will extract it into the cup. Nice flow coming out of the machine. And again, 1.5 ounces, which is perfect. This machine. Really good crema from the top. Excellent color of coffee. And now the hot water. I'll test that one as well. And as you can see, we got a nice steady stream coming out of the machine, working perfectly fine. And there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica working once again. We got rid of the general alarm and it's ready to brew. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content this every day, and thanks for watching.